Hey there guys, how's it going? And this is what we're going to be talking about today. It's the Ignite by SPRI Chrome Hand Weight. Yes, this is the Chrome Hand Weight by Ignite. Yeah, okay, well, this is very good. I exercise all the time. I lift weights, and I've been doing so for at least 30 years of my life. And I like staying in shape. This is one of the dumbbells that I got about maybe 3 years ago. Yeah, and it is very, very good. I love this dumbbell. I have a set of two. This is the 12-pound one. It is really nice because, okay, one, the grip on it is really nice on the chrome part. This part is chrome, okay? It's hexed, and hexed means this part is like has hashes on it, so it helps with the grip on this part and the center part, which is the main part, and over here. So when you grab it, you can really grip it, especially, I mean, it goes well if you grip it with your bare hands like that, but it's even better with these hashes on there to grip this with when you have workout gloves on, because the workout gloves, when you squeeze with your hand, you get in there, you really get into those grooves, those hash grooves, and it makes it really, really a comfortable fit. So there's no sliding or anything like that while you're holding it, so you can do any kind of exercise that you need to do. Yeah, so I like that a lot. I really do. This part, which is also a nice feature, this on first glance, you look at this and it looks like it's like cement or some kind of a heavy metal or something like that that's painted black. And it's not like that at all. Yeah, now there's metal underneath, but what is here is this is rubber. Yeah, now if you come in close, you can kind of see where I'm making indentions in there, you know? So when you use this, see that? When you use this, I mean, you get 12 pounds. I mean, it's a 12-pound weight, but the good part of having this be rubber is you're gonna get less grooves and scratches on the ground if you work a hardwood floor or something, you know. And I'm not saying that if this fell on your foot, you're not gonna feel it, but I think you'd feel it far less than if it was like real heavyweight, like it's made of iron or steel or something like that. So yeah, that is a great quality that I like, because I don't like messing up my floors. And a lot of times when you're exercising, you're doing your best to, you know, push and, you know, curl and do all kind of exercises that you want to do, and you're doing as many as you can. And when you're on that last one, that last rep where you're pulling it up, a lot of times you're straining so hard that you will drop the weight, you know? And a lot of times, I mean, that's normal because you just can't take it anymore. You're not in the mood to just ease it down easy. A lot of times you will drop it, and when you do that, a lot of times you're going to tear up your floors. So it's nice to have weight that you can use that gives a little, you know. This is very hard, but it is rubber, so it's going to give a bit, you know. So it absorbs a lot of the impact if you drop it, you know. So it's a really good buy. I'm glad this is like that. It's a good idea. Cover this with a nice rubber. It really saves the surrounding area. Yeah. So like I said, I've had this for quite a while, and I've used this. I have a set of two, and I do my curls with it, and I love the way that it feels, that it grips really well, and it cleans it's just real easy to clean. If you ever get anything on there, just sweat or whatever, you can wipe this down really, really easily, And the fact that this is chrome, when you wipe this down and get it really nice and clean, it shines really nice and it looks like you have a brand new set. I like that a lot, just for the style of it alone. Yeah, I like these. So, yeah, this is really good. It's really a good, I think it's a good buy for anybody. No real downside. It does what it's supposed to do, and I'm glad I got it. All right, so that is the Ignite by SPRI Chrome Hand Weight. I guess that's SPRI, SPRI, Ignite by SPRI, SPRI Chrome Hand Weight. Yeah, okay, this is the 12-pound one. Yeah, but they have a bunch of different sizes, different weights. Okay, I hope you guys use this information, and I will talk to you again soon. Okay, bye-bye.